As the pandemic continues to accelerate the property market, is now a good time to sell? Or are you better off waiting for more price growth? Picking the timing of a downturn or an upturn is tricky, even with the best information. Right now, we are seeing particularly strong property market conditions. However, there are some potential changes to lending which may impact pricing. Here are 4 things to consider if you are looking to sell. The first is that house prices are now at record highs, and pretty much across every capital city and every regional area, price growth has accelerated since the start of the pandemic. The second point is that stock levels are very low, which is creating a lot of competition. The best time to sell is when there's lots of buyers and not much stock. At the moment, property listings are down. However, as we come out of lockdown in Melbourne and Sydney, we do expect to see a bounce. When we look at real-time Ray White auction data, we are continuing to see very strong market conditions. Average active bidding remains at record highs, sitting at around 4.5. The gap between highest prior offer and the price the property sells at auction is also high, sitting at in excess of 10%. The third point is that we are expecting a jump in listings in late spring. When we have a look at the number of listing authorities, that is people who've signed an agent but are yet to market, we are seeing a much higher level than what we saw in 2020 and 2019. Many sellers are waiting for the pandemic to end before they start marketing their properties. This is consistent with what we've seen in previous lockdowns. The fourth point is that interest rates remain at record lows. However, it is likely that regulators will step in soon to limit lending. Home loan lending has nearly doubled since May last year and is now $10 billion above the previous peak. Interest rates are unlikely to move anytime soon. However, it is likely that regulators will step in to calm lending growth. We're proud to present real-time industry insights to help you with your property market decisions. For more information on the property market, head to raywhite.com and download the Ray White Now report.